Welcome to the Going Global tutorial presented by Northern Kentucky University's Career Services. Today, I'm going to show you how to use the career guides on Going Global. To access the career guides on Going Global, you will click the tab Career Guides on the home page of Going Global. Here, you'll be able to access 40 country career guides, 47 U.S. city career guides, and 29 global city career guides. Going Global adds new guides every year and keeps their information up to date. Since there are so many career guides, I will not be able to show you all of them, but they all are set up similarly. As you can see, there's so many different countries just on the country career guide. Today, we're going to look at Australia. When you pull up the career guide, you will see the subheadings Snapshot, Finding a Job, Hiring Opportunities, Getting the Job, Professional and Personal Networking, Living There, and General Resources. Each subheading has information related to that country or city you have chosen. The Snapshot feature is an overall summary about the location, and this is a great place to start to see if you're interested in working in this location. Most snapshots have a short video to give a brief introduction. Below, you will find information about cultures and values. Here, you can learn about locals, their values, and the do's and don'ts when living in Australia. Next, you can learn about business and finances, from their economy ranks, cost of living, and health insurance. Next, job hunting tips. Here, you can learn how to prepare for interviews, how to network, and their visa requirements. There's a lot of hidden doors in Going Global. You can click on the blue font to be able to access more information about that topic. For instance, if I want to learn more about the visa requirements, I would select Visa Requirements, and it would take me to a page and I can learn more about the visa requirements in that location. Next, we're going to move on to the Finding a Job section. Here, you can find information about how to find jobs in this location. This tab provides information from websites to career fairs to more specific information about nonprofits. I recommend starting at the job search overview to get a brief understanding on how to start the job search process. Just from this section, I have learned that in Australia, it's really important to build a network to find a job and also creating a LinkedIn profile. Employers also look for individuals who are team players and are good communicators. In hiring opportunities, you can learn about the top companies in the area, areas of job promise, and industry opportunities. This is a great tab to utilize if you're interested in living in a certain location, but not for sure where you would like to work. When you're doing your research, you can save your searches to your My Going Global page, so you can quickly access the information. The next tab is Getting the Job. Here, you can learn about how to set up your resumes, cover letters, and how to prepare for interviews, and more about work permits and visas. Most Australian companies require that individuals prepare a 2-page CV when applying for a job. In America, you usually only use 1-page resume when applying for a job. This is why it is so important to know how the country or city does their hiring process, because everyone does it differently. If you are a student, I recommend looking at the student visa section, just in case you may need a student visa when you study abroad. Next is the professional and personal networking section. Here, you'll be able to research about professional associations in that area. Professional associations can help with networking and find jobs. As I mentioned before, in Australia, networking is important, so this would be a great tab to utilize. The Living There tab is, in my opinion, one of the most important tabs because you're going to work there, so you're going to have to live there. This tab can help you find out about the cost of living, transportation, the daily life in Australia, and how to act like a local. I recommend looking at the daily life and how to act like a local section. That way, you can learn and get your full experience when living there. I enjoy looking at the section, How to Act Like a Local, because it's almost like a checkoff list to help me prepare to become the best local I can be. The last tab is General Resources. Here you will find embassy listings, apps you should download, and about the safety and security for this area. I find the app section very useful. It lists apps from job boards to weather apps to even ones to finding restrooms in the area, which may be important if you're not familiar with that area. Overall, this is how you use the career guides in GoinGlobal. Thank you for tuning in and let us know if you have any questions.